the sides of the hexagon.
For the partner or facilitator, place 0 point of the tape measure at the takeoff line. After the jump, spot the mark where the back of the heel of either feet of the tester has landed nearest to the takeoff line. To do a start, balance, stand test, first, the performer needs to remove the shoes. Stand straight and place hands on the hips. Position the right foot on the side of the left knee. Raise the left heel to balance on the ball of the foot. Maintain balance as long as possible. Do the same procedure with the opposite foot. For the partner or facilitator, start the time as the heel of the performer is raised off the floor. Stop the time if any of the following occurs. The hand come off the hips. The supporting foot swivel or move in any direction. The non-supporting foot lose contact with the knee. Fitness test for flexibility. Flexibility is the ability of a person to do a wide range of motion. We can see this in sports like taekwondo, gymnastics, and many more. To test flexibility, we need to do two activities: the zipper test and sit and reach. Zipper test. The purpose of zipper test is to test the flexibility of our shoulder gilder. Shoulder gilder includes the bones that connect to the arms, like clavicle and scapula. To do this test, we need a ruler. The person being tested need to stand straight. To test the right shoulder, you need to raise your right arm, bend your elbow, and reach down across your back as far as possible. And then, extend your left arm down and behind your back, bend your elbow up across your back, and try to reach your fingers over those of your right hand as if to pull a zipper or scratch between the shoulder blades. Your partner will observe whether the fingers touch or overlap each other and measure it. If not, measure the gap between the middle fingers of both hands. Record the distance in centimeter. To test the left shoulder, raise your left arm up, bend your elbow, and reach down across your back as far as possible. Extend your right arm down and behind your back. Bend your elbow up across your back and try to reach your fingers over those of your left hand as if to pull a zipper or scratch between the shoulder blades. And again, your partner will observe if the fingers touch or overlap each other and measure it. If not, measure the gap between the middle fingers of both hands. Record the distance in centimeter. Of 40 meters and a stopwatch. To do 40 meters sprint, first you need to have a running area with the measurement of 40 meters. It should also have a starting line and a finish line. At the signal ready, the performer should be at the starting line, assume a crouch position, and both hands should not go beyond the line. At the signal get set, the performer's hip move upward by extending the legs. And at the signal go, run to the finish line as fast as you can. For the facilitator, first check if the stopwatch is at 0 point. Then, check if the performer is ready to run. Announce the signal, ready, get set, go. At the signal go, start the time. And stop it as the performer crosses the finish line. After the run, record the time.